What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Versatile, back again with another video. And today we're doing a quick review over the 2-year reign that this Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 had, and in particular in my device that I have and that I own is the Frontier. As you guys can see, it's still in pretty good shape. I've only had it for about a year. I'm rocking just a general face that Samsung provided, customized. It's a new band, a band I had bought off of Amazon. Up until Tizen released that dreaded 3.0.0.0 or 1. No, it was 3.0.0.1 released with the value pack, which for me, the one I have is with T-Mobile, but of course it's unlocked. But that release for this device caused major battery issues, so much so that Samsung had to release another update, 3.0.0.2, to help with that battery drain and fix the bug that was draining its battery. Now for me, my watch isn't formally connected to my phone right now because I'm running the Android P beta on my Google Pixel 2. So this has been my standalone device, and if I wanted to, I could squeeze 2 days battery life out of this easily. But I just put on the charger most of the time, the same day I get home from work after about 12 hours of off, at least 12 hours off charger use. Now, for me, what I've done to help increase battery life significantly is just turn off location altogether. I like using my phone for a lot of the health and tracking and whatnot. One thing that this watch did exceptionally well was count steps and then record and sync with the Samsung Health app, as well as it seems like perfectly timed whenever I jumped on an elliptical at the gym. But because my phone isn't paired with my watch right now, turning off location works wonders for me. I don't go running with this. And if I were to, I would probably carry my phone just because I use the Sweatcoin app. So I'd rather use my phone to try to record my steps and try to gain as much value out of that as possible. Now, let me unlock my phone here real quick. I don't know why I keep saying phone watch to see how long it stays unlocked. But as you see, it still works just fine. I like Samsung's new style with the redesign for Tizen 3.0.0.2, I guess you could say, which is also the last update that they released. I don't use a heart rate monitor. That also helps with battery life. You see, that's how many steps I've counted today so far. Target, I've lowered down to 7,500. And then, the reason why it's even less than that now is because I also ride like a bike to and from, so it doesn't really count bike steps, probably because of how fast I'm moving. That's my wife right there. So we know with the sorry guys, long day, we see that I can record how many glasses of water I drink a day. And I haven't recorded today, but from what I've drank so far, it's about 4 today. And it stays there till the next day, and you'll be able to see your results in the actual Samsung Health app. But again, for me, it's not paired. But once we rerun the official Android P version, I'm sure the Galaxy will be able to pair up easily again. I think it's part of the Bluetooth being broke with the beta release software. But that's a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 Frontier. Now, I would love to get a classic, but for me, the easiest way for me to get it right now is T-Mobile, but T-Mobile's still trying to charge $400. I don't know why. Hopefully when the Galaxy Watch drops, it will drop the price significantly for this model, and hopefully T-Mobile still carries this along with the Galaxy Watch. Now with the Galaxy Watch, it has been confirmed, 1, with the name. We first saw that at the FCC, and then 2, it's been confirmed by Samsung always dropping the leaks for the device. So as you see in the picture here, that's what it's going to look like in rose gold, which looks amazing. And I'm hoping to see that we get another classic version, unless that's what it's going to be. It's not going to necessarily have like a Frontier look like this, even though this look was pretty good. I would have had the classic version, but they didn't have any in stock. So I settled with this beautiful Frontier that I like, and that I will continue to rock. For me, having a watch like this makes it all the more easier to switch up the style, especially when it comes to the face and the bands. And having like 3 or 4 solid watches, whether it's how big the face is, or the bezel, or the style of the bezel. That's why I would like a classic. I like the Asus ZenWatch 3 that dropped. That looks amazing. Maybe a fossil, that Nokia Steel HR. That looks real good too. But again, we're looking forward to the Galaxy Watch. We know that the Galaxy Gear S3 reigns supreme for the last 2 years. Top, hands down, top 2, top 3, certainly top 2. That being in front or behind the Apple Watch. Some debate, and of course, Apple Watch is only available with iOS and Apple devices. So, but universal device that can connect to both platforms. Although it took a little bit for this one to finally connect. This one saw its great value and has reigned supreme for 2 years. We hope that the Galaxy Watch will do the same thing. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Be on the lookout for another video here soon. I'll probably be talking about the Google Pixel 3 because I have some thoughts of my own on that. But until then, your boy Vrsatile signing out. And until the next video, wait for it.